Hello friends, this is Manpreet. Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Career Talks with Manpreet. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the students scoring. The most demanding question is that, what after MBBS? If they are not eligible to enter into German Public University for their MBBS, then what after next? Actually, why this question raises, because if you plan to study in German public universities for your MBBS, then they check the eligibility with 2 points. They need the combination of your 12th and FSP. FSP is the exit exam of student colleague program 13-year education. So if your 12th is with 80% and your FSP is around 1, then with the help of that combination you are easily entered into the German public university for your MBBS course. And if score less, then you have to reattempt more types of exams also if you want to enter MBBS easily. So to if there is no eligibility, like if you not find any good option to enter into the MBBS and you want to switch your courses, then I suggest that go for a biotechnology. The most demanding course, biotechnology. Yes, biotechnology course is, yes, the name express that is the combination of bio plus technology, science plus technology, with the help of science, how technology works. Biotechnology changes the world. Yes, biotechnology, there is a four types. We can say that red biotechnology, white biotechnology, green biotechnology, blue biotechnology. In red biotechnology, you study regarding medical applications. White biotechnology is regarding industrial applications. Green biotechnology regarding agricultural applications. Blue biotechnology regarding marine aquatic applications. So there is a deep study of the technology with the help of biology. Yes. Okay, if we take the example of the food biotechnology, then in food biotechnology, let's take an example of tomatoes. Few time before, when the tomato demands is very high and the supplier, and we are not fulfill the demand of the people, farmers are also in problem. And that time when biotechnology helps to increasing this production, they what they did in that process, they collect the gene from the tomatoes and transfer to the that soil seeds to grow process fast. So it like the 14 days process converts into 2 days process. What the production of tomatoes we get in a 14 days, if we can collect it easily with the help of biotechnology in 2 days. Yes, today in the days we are eating with the help of biotechnology lots of fruits, vegetables which are grow through the injections. But number of people so again still now trusting on the organic foods which are grow originally. And the queries rise in our mind that is it safe to eat injected fruits, injected vegetables? Then we can say that science passed it and we are easily eat it, and right now we are safe so we can eat it easily, no worries. And like this food biotechnology work. Plant biotechnology, like we take an example of cactus. Like cactus grow in a desert like Rajasthan area, and it's having a gene like it stores it can grow without getting a water lots of days. On the other side, we can say that most of the plants want daily water. So that is a very important gene of the cactus. If we take that gene and pass it to another, these plants also work like as like as a cactus. So this is the type that we transfer one character, one important gene, that character to another parts to make to work like similar to that one. This is the work of technology with the help of science. Yes. What after biotechnology? You get the job easily. See, biotechnology, if you plan for a BS, Bachelor's in Biotechnology, BS in Biotechnology, then your 12th with PCB is mandatory. If you plan for a BTech in Biotechnology, then Physics, Chemistry, Bio plus Mathematics is mandatory. So the 3 years of bachelor is not enough to get a job in bio-related courses. I always suggest that if you plan for MBBS, if you plan for bio-related courses, then go with this only if you have a passion for a research. If you able to work in a lab, then it's like, then go with this bio-related subjects. Yes. After BS in biotechnology, you have an option to study in microbiology. You have an option to study MS in microbiology, MS in biotechnology, MS in immunology. You have lots of varieties. If you talk about immunology, it's also study of a human body, immune system. Like immunology is a branch of biomedical. you have to study regarding your immune system. We can say that there are 2 points. One is antigens and one is antibodies. Antigens we call the villains who entered in our body as a bacteria and caused disease, and antibodies are the protective chemicals who produced in our body to fight against that antigens. So how our body produce antibodies to fight against these antigens? This is the study regarding the immune system. This is study is in the immunology. Yeah, it's very interesting for the biology students. So if the students seriously who are having a passion to study in laboratories in a research system, then go and opt this biotechnology, this immunology course. They are very interesting courses. You have a huge variety to study in that regarding the body, regarding the technology in foods, plants, animals, how it works, how the science helps to create samples of living things already who are produced by original by nature, and this with the help of science we also produce this lives again like this. So this is the biotechnology, this is the immunology, this is the microbiology. Go and study with this. If you are not fulfill the dream of MBBS, no, not be worried. Seriously, you have a lots of option to study regarding biology courses more. If you still want any more counseling of any or special courses or anything, then please call us at message us at 836 8027 6631. Thank you.